Okay, so the next one is a banded glute bridge in a B stance. So to start with, put the band on, pull it up so it's just above your knees, so we can hold the tension. It's gonna help us with the adduction part of the roll when we're working our glutes. So we got some, it's gonna also encourage, whilst I like roll out and I turn them out, it's also gonna encourage a little bit of external rotation as well, which is gonna get us on the side. To begin with, bring yourself down. So hopefully not, bring yourself this way. Now, the difference between the hip thrust and the glute bridge we're on the floor. So because of this, we're limited based on the limit of the floor. So based on that, it's got some benefits. It means we can't really roll our upper body that way so much. It's quite useful that way. So from here, we can keep it quite strict. Now, as opposed to doing our standard one like this, and coming up just standard like this, instead, the only difference we're gonna make, let me just roll this out. The only difference we're gonna make is we're gonna do a B split. So from here, once I'm up, I'm gonna take one step forward and go that way. What I'm gonna do is gonna put more pressure on the closest leg to me. So in this case, my left one. From here, you're gonna kind of drive, you can dial in and drive on it. So we're gonna go 70%, 30%, and I can target that single leg as I come up. The entire time, I'm still pulling tension on the band. Right now, my left one is absolutely screaming. Perfect. And once you're done, you just swap sides. Okay, so from here, step forward, drive it on the right leg, squeeze, come down. Squeeze, come down. Have a go.